Hey there, take a look at this.
Stop it.
Stop what?
You're talking about me in Morse code. You know what? Joke's on you, because I know Morse code. Ha!
Well, if you're like me and you don't know Morse code and you have no clue what just happened, I got you covered, because I built a Morse code translator.
Once I designed the project in CAD and 3D printed it, it was time for assembly. Here are the parts I'm using. It includes an Arduino Pro Micro, OLED display, touch sensor, speaker, breadboard, jumper wires, 9-volt battery pack, 3D printed beam and case, a pen spring, and aluminum foil. The input design is similar to a telegraph. Push down on the beam to activate the touch sensor. The spring then returns the beam to its original location. So if you're wondering why I added aluminum foil onto the beam here, it's because the sensor detects electric charge from my hand. However, a 3D printed beam obviously doesn't conduct electric charge, but aluminum foil does. So when I touch the foil and the beam touches the sensor, electric charge flows from my hand to the sensor, activating it.
So here's my code, which will be linked in the description, and basically it uses a hash map to store the Morse code representation of all the alphanumeric characters. And if you scroll down to the loop, it just checks to see if their sensor is being activated, and if it is, it plays a tone, and it checks for how long the sensor is activated to add either a dot or a dash, and when the sensor is not activated, it checks for how long to see if it's a new letter or a new word, and then finally it prints out the letters.
And now it's time to test.